Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to fix the Steam if it shows errors like corrupt update files or fails to update. So let's just jump right into the solutions. We can clear Steam download cache for that. So open up Steam. You can just go over and open up your Steam settings. Access your Steam application first. And from here, look out for the Steam option in the top left. Select it and select the option of settings and open it up. Once you go over here, look out for the download section here. And within downloads, look out for the option of clear download cache. And select this option, clear cache, and just go over and confirm this right here. And you will need to log into Steam again and once you do so. So once this is done, Steam will restart and you can try updating your game itself. Clearing cache removes corrupted temporary files, causing the update error. So you can verify the integrity of the game files as well. You can open up your Steam library for that. Access your Steam, go to your library section, and from here, right click on the game that is downloaded and go to the properties section from here. After you go to the properties, what you need to do is go to the local file section. You will be finding that option once the game is downloaded on your device. I do not have that, but once you find the local file section, you just need to verify the integrity of the game files and wait for the Steam to check it and restart the application itself. Apart from that, you can run Steam as an administrator. Find it up, back click on it, and you can select this option of run as administrator. And once this is done, you can try updating the application itself. Steam may need admin rights to replace the files during the updates. You can also check for disk errors. So press Windows plus S for that. And there, just go over and type in cmd, and you may run it as an administrator. After you run it as an administrator, you can open up the space right here and type in. There, type in. So let me just show you. You may type in chk tsk and type in space /f space /I and hit enter. And just go over and press enter. Once this is done, you can just go over and restart your computer and let Windows scan your drive, and bad sectors on your disk can cause corrupted downloads. And also reinstall the Steam application. You can just go over and uninstall the application itself. Right click on it and select the option of uninstall from here. If not here, you can delete it from your device and restore Steam applications on your device. And also make sure that the internet is very stable and avoid using VPNs while updating your application. And that is it, everybody. These solutions should probably help you out and fix the Steam corrupt update files on Windows. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.